Hello viewers, welcome to Bongo Indian cooking channel. Today I will make two recipes of Hilsha fish. First, Hilsha fish head and tail with Malabar spinach. Second recipe is Hilsha fish curry with brinjal, tomato and onion. For making fish head recipe with Malabar spinach, I took a small bunch of fresh Malabar spinach. Separate the leaves and stem. Chop the leaves roughly. Peel off the skin of stem. Mix the stem and leaves together. Now prepare a masala. Add 2 tablespoons mustard seed, a tablespoon cumin seed, 2 green chili into a grinder jar. Firstly dry grind, then add little water, blend into smooth paste. I will make this recipe with Hilsha fish head and tail, so I took head and tail of a Hilsha fish. Season it with salt and turmeric powder. Rub on both sides and keep aside for 10 to 15 minutes. Turn on the heat, put a kadai, add 2 tablespoons mustard oil, add a pinch salt. After oil is smoking hot, add the fish head and tail slowly. Adding salt will prevent oil splattering. Also the fish pieces will not break and will not stick with kadai. Fry the fish pieces lightly, then take out from kadai. In the same remaining oil, add quarter teaspoon onion seeds, saute for a few seconds, then add stem and leaves of Malabar spinach. Add a teaspoon salt and turmeric powder. Cook for a minute, then add the fried fish and head. Immediately add the mustard and cumin paste. Reduce the heat, put a lid and cover for 4 to 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, open the lid, mix well. Stir evenly, turn over the fish so that it will absorb the fragrance of the mustard paste and Malabar spinach. Cook until the masala is well cooked and it starts releasing oil. Then add half glass water into grinder jar. Pour it. Cook for 5 minutes. Our yummy tasty Malabar spinach recipe with Hilsha fish head and tail is ready for serving. Serve it with steamed rice. For making Hilsha fish curry, I took 4 pieces of fried Hilsha fish, a brinjal, an onion and a tomato. Chop the onion, tomato and brinjal roughly. In a grinder jar, add a teaspoon coriander seed, cumin seed and 4 to 5 dried red chili. Grind into smooth powder. Pour little water, mix well and prepare a thin paste of this masala. Turn on the heat, put a kadai, add a tablespoon cooking oil. After oil is hot, add a bay leaf and a teaspoon Panchphoron. Panchphoron is used in Bengali cuisine. It's a mixture of onion seed, fennel seed, fenugreek seed, cumin seed and mustard seed mixed in equal proportion. Saute for a few seconds until it's fragrant. Then add the onion rings. Cook for a minute until onion is lightly brown. Then add brinjal pieces. Cook for another 2 minutes over a medium to high heat. Stir evenly. Then add a teaspoon salt and turmeric powder. Add chopped tomato. Cook for 5 minutes. Then add previously prepared masala. Cook over low heat until the masala will release oil. Now it starts releasing oil, then add half a glass water. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes over high heat. Bring it to boil. Add some salt according to your taste. Now add the fried Hilsha fish pieces. Cook for 5 minutes. Add some coriander leaves. Our Hilsha fish curry with brinjal is ready for serving. It's a Bengali traditional dish. Serve it with steamed rice.